Hi, I'm Stephanie from Crosscut Sewing, and I have Amanda here with me today, and we are going to show you how to sew a curve. This isn't too tricky, but it's great to do some practice with this before you sew a project like the pumpkins or the aprons or some of our projects that have curves. I have a practice sheet that you can download, or you can just draw a circle on some fabric. So I'm going to have Amanda set this up just like we did when we sewed a straight line or when we were practicing our corners. So she's going to put this in the machine and have her needle right on the line. Good. And then just go ahead and put your needle down. That's good practice. So she's going to sew along, and not only is she going to watch the needle on the line, but she's going to watch a little bit out front. And when you sew a curve, you can steer your fabric or your paper a little bit. And then if you need a little more help, you can stop and make sure your needle's down and lift up the presser foot and adjust it a little bit. So go ahead and get that started, and we'll see how you're doing. Yeah, so just kind of, there you go. So see, she can steer it a little bit. It's actually doing pretty good. Yeah, try to steer back on the line a little bit. Oh. There you go. You're kind of pulling it. Let it go. Let the machine do the work. You're just driving. All right, so stop there. I think it's a little tight right there. So why don't you pick up the presser, since your needle's already down, pick up the presser foot and just like adjust it a little bit. So yeah, there you go. And then put the presser foot back down. So every once in a while you might have to just do that, and it depends on how tight the curve is too. So go ahead and keep going. Maybe do that again. There you go. Yeah, so stop and lift up the presser foot with your needle down. And there you go. Yeah, perfect. You just have to do that every few stitches or every inch or so as you go around. So go ahead, keep going. Yep, perfect. That looks great. All right, so I think we can stop there and go ahead and take it out. So this looks great. So just practice this a few times before your first project with curves, and you'll be all set. Happy sewing!